Hi everyone, welcome back. Today I want to start by looking at Ethereum on CoinMarketCap. As you can see, Ethereum remains one of the core assets of the entire crypto market, especially when it comes to DeFi, staking and Layer 2 ecosystem. Most innovations, airdrops and new protocols are still being built around Ethereum and EVM networks. That's why staying active in the Ethereum ecosystem matters. And why so many users look for the ways to track opportunities beyond just holding Ethereum. This brings me to the platform I want to show you today. It's called Ethereum Drop Hub. It aggregates Ethereum airdrop information from top Layer 2 ecosystem, so you don't need to track thousands of projects manually. Everything is collected in one place for network like Arbitrum, Polygon, Base, Linea, Scroll, and many others. So, you pay a one-time service fee and get priority whitelist access for upcoming Ethereum ecosystem airdrops. The platform is verified and focuses on secure wallet-based access. The process is simple. Connect your wallet and get the priority access. My wallet is already connected, so I will continue to show you how everything looks inside the dashboard. We have entered the platform. Everything was very simple. As you can see, one of the airdrops at the platform setup for me has already arrived. A few months ago, I was added to the whitelist and received 320 tokens, worth about $2,240 at one time, guys. All of this came from an airdrop the platform found for me. This is amazing. Let's withdraw the tokens now. We just need to wait a moment. The transaction is completed successfully. And here's the wallet notification. Perfect. Now I know that tokens have arrived. Let's take a look what else is available here. This section shows all my airdrops. The ones that are already completed and the ones where I'm currently whitelisted. Everything is clearly organized in one place. There is also an upcoming airdrops tab. Here, guys, you can see which upcoming airdrops are you included in and the estimated amount of token you may receive. You can also check the full airdrop history. As you can see, the airdrop I just withdrew is listed here, along with my previous ones. It's very easy to see what has already happened and what is still coming. And in the settings section, you can easily customize the platform to match your preferences. And the best part is that this platform only costs a few dollars to use, while helping you stay organized across the Ethereum ecosystem. Guys, thank you for watching and I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.